Are you spending over $400 a month on supplements? Most health-conscious people are without even realizing it. A multivitamin here, greens powder there, energy drinks, probiotics. It all adds up fast. But what if I told you there's a better way? One scoop of Retra Rise replaces over 10 supplements with 50 powerful ingredients. Natural energy from green coffee beans, mental clarity from lion's mane mushroom, stress relief from ashwagandha, all in one delicious mixed berry drink. No more cabinet full of bottles, no more guessing what works together. Just pure natural wellness that saves you money and actually works. People are walking taller, exercising longer, feeling happier and more focused throughout their day. All natural, non-GMO, sugar-free, vegan, and made right here in the USA. Order Retra Rise today. 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Order online at buyhealthynutrition.com.